Let us practice how to convert radians to degrees. We have 4 examples here, and we'll convert these angles, which are given in radians, into degrees. Now in this case, we'll write our answers to 2 decimal places, right? 2 decimal places. So we'll round our values to 2 decimal places. So let's start with 1 radian. Now we know pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. So that is the base for our conversion. So 1 radian should be how much? So 1 radian is equals to 180 degrees divided by pi. So we can use the calculator and divide 180 by pi. So we get 180 divided by pi. That gives us 57.2957. 57.2957. This could be rounded to 2 decimal places as 57 point, let us say 30. So approximately it is 57.30 degrees, right? So that is 1 radian. So it's almost equal to 60 degrees, correct? Okay. Now let's do conversion of 5 pi by 6. Now if the units are not given, it is always radians. You know, radian is the ratio of arc length to radius, correct? So the lengths cancel out. So it's just a ratio. We call it radians. Okay. So to convert 5 pi by 6, we know pi radians will again start with the same. That is, pi radians is equals to 180 degrees. We want 5 pi by 6. That means we'll multiply this by 5 by 6 pi, right? So we'll multiply by 5 by 6 on both the sides. Is that okay? So it becomes 5 by 6 times pi, which is we want pi radians, right? Equals to how many degrees? 5 by 6 times 180 degrees, right? So that is what we get. So we can use calculator again and get our answer. So we get 5 times 180 divided by 6, 150 degrees. So that's the way to convert radians to degrees, right? So these are the 2 questions for you to practice. When we say 2.25, it really means radians. When no units are given, it means radians. So conversion factor here is to multiply radians by 180 divided by pi, correct? So if you multiply this by 180 degrees divided by pi, you convert it to degrees, right? So that is the conversion factor. So whenever you want to convert from radians to degrees, you are multiplying by this factor, 180 divided by pi. So that is the factor by which you multiply to get your answer, right? So here also you'll multiply by 180 degrees divided by pi. So it cancels and you get a number in degrees as your answer. I hope it makes it clear. Thank you and all the best.